난 너 알았던 줄 알았어. 그땐 말하지 않았지. 그럴 분위기도. I just started to learn and feeling my way through the dark. I can handle the most, but I'm a slave to your heart. We should live right here, no matter what the price, and no more tears, just a smile.
I'm gonna buy crackling.
My movie. Would you stay right here? Would you hold me tight?
Hi girl! Tingnan mo yung binili niya. Meron siya. Ooh, yummy! Tapos tingnan niya yung binili ko. Ang saya.
I'm reaching up but keep on falling down. And we walk away. I'm going crazy but it's hard to say what it is we do. I just started to learn.
Trams from here also travel to House, Shrine of Remembrance, a stylish and popular chapel.
Shopping time, si Pilates girl.
Ito talaga. Magsusukat lang. Ang daming vandal. Saan ba tayo? Ay, hindi ata. Naligaw na. Sabi niya, isang floor lang. Atap mo. Dito ba tayo sa bagon na to? Yeah, this bagon. see the line from here. Grabe. Ako dito sa Cinnabons kasi a lot of vloggers are saying this is like the best cinnamon scrolls here in Melbourne. So I had to try it. Kaso medyo malayo kasi siya from here. And I just came to know na nakipag-collaborate sila with Bloomwood, which is right here in CBD. So more accessible. And today is actually their last day. So that's why I went ahead and lined up for the Cinnabons. So these are the only two flavors that they have, yung matcha and their classic cinnamon scroll. Curious din kasi ako because recently there have been like a news na parang yung Cinnabon daw is calling out Cinnabons into changing their name kasi di ba parang it sounds alike. Siguro they find it like tight competition si Cinnabon kasi in fairness masarap talaga mas masarap si Cinnabons kaysa kay Cinnabon. So yun, you should try it. Masarap yung matcha in fairness.